Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Wisamo Ear Wax Remover is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for maintaining ear hygiene. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features of this product, exploring its design, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in removing ear wax. We'll also cover the safety aspects, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision about your ear care routine. Get ready to discover a cleaner, healthier way to manage your ear wax. Number 5. Bebird R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the Bebird R1. This innovative tool lets you see inside your ears with a 1080p HD camera and wide-angle view. It has 6 LED lights to illuminate the ear canal. The device connects directly to your phone via Wi-Fi using the Bebird app. You can see a real-time view of your ear canal on your screen. It supports taking pictures and recording videos. The Bebird R1 is designed for both examination and cleaning. It comes with multiple replacement tips to remove earwax, whether it's oily or dry. This allows you to check the inside of your ear canal. This tool isn't just for ears. It can also be used to examine your nose, teeth, and throat. It comes with observation kits for various uses. The Bebird R1 features a patented design. It's a versatile tool for personal care, providing a clear view and effective cleaning for multiple areas. What we like. This ear wax removal tool features a high-definition camera, allowing you to see inside your ear canal with clarity. It's not just for ears, it can also be used for your nose and throat. If you are looking for a comprehensive ear cleaning solution with visual feedback and multifunctional use, you should consider this. What people say. The video quality is clear and it's helpful to actually see what's going on in your ear instead of guessing. The app was easy to use and connected quickly, which I appreciated. The tool kit box arrived in one of those brown paper Amazon bags. Opening the tool kit box, it showed the tool itself, head attachment replacements, the charging cord, and head attachments for both nose and tongue usage. It also came with instructions on how to use the device, downloading their camera app, along with how to Bluetooth the device to your phone. Very simple and easy to understand. Number 4. EQUADOSE Earwax Removal Kit. Are you looking for a safe and effective way to remove earwax? This kit provides a complete ear cleaning system. It's designed for gentle ear care, suitable for both adults and kids. This system is designed for effective wax removal. It includes a safe irrigation tool. You can easily and safely clean your ears with this professional cleaner. The kit offers a complete ear cleaning system. It comes with all the necessary accessories. Using it, you can maintain good ear hygiene. The kit includes a safe irrigation tool. This tool ensures a gentle and comfortable experience. It's designed to make ear cleaning easy. This is a professional cleaner with accessories. It's suitable for the whole family. You can use it to maintain healthy ears. What we like. This ear cleaning system uses a gentle stream of water to remove earwax safely and effectively. It comes with all the necessary accessories for a complete cleaning experience. If you have sensitive ears or prefer a non-invasive method, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to figure out. I started squeezing the spray handle gently to get the fluid in. I noticed in the sink that a lot of small pieces were starting to spill out, but I kept going. Number 3. Medi Grade Ear Cleaning Kit. Tired of traditional methods? This kit uses a gentle stream of water to safely remove earwax. It's a much safer alternative to candles or cotton swabs. This earwax removal kit comes with everything you need. It includes spray heads, spare tips, and a convenient water-catching ear basin for easy ear care. The interchangeable tips can be changed based on your needs. Unlike typical syringes, this bottle holds a generous amount of water. This means fewer refills and quicker ear wax removal, making it the most convenient tool available. The bonus ear basin is designed for mess-free use. It allows you to use the irrigation system without leaning over sinks or worrying about spills, enhancing your experience. While ear drops aren't mandatory, this earwax remover can be paired with ear wax removal drops for enhanced effectiveness. Create your own comprehensive home ear flush kit today. What we like. This ear cleaning kit features a large capacity bottle for fewer refills and quicker cleaning. The bonus ear basin ensures mess-free usage. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient ear cleaning experience, you should consider this. What people say. The design of this is great. The light is super helpful. It works great. Number 2. Hion Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs? Research shows they can push wax further in. This kit is a better solution, designed for safe and effective ear cleaning. Made from 316L stainless steel, this kit won't rust or cause allergies. It's easy to clean and sterilize, ensuring a hygienic experience. The smooth surface prevents scratches. Each tool has a double head design for removing different types of earwax. The spring, screw, and spiral tools work together to remove wax effectively. The loop tool is perfect for larger pieces. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making ear cleaning safe and efficient. Different sizes fit all ear canals, from kids to adults. A cleaning brush is included for easy maintenance. The kit comes with a portable storage box, so you can keep everything organized. It's perfect for home or travel use. You won't have to worry about losing the tools. We care about your satisfaction. If you're not happy with this earwax removal kit, please contact us. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This earwax removal kit includes professional-grade stainless steel tools designed for safe and effective ear cleaning. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, and the double-headed design offers versatility. If you like a traditional approach with durable, easy-to-clean tools, you should consider this. What people say. Works great, just what I needed to clean dead skin ECT. Great tools for ear cleaning. Very sturdy and well made. They get in there where a Q-tip never could, all those clumps of wax come out and I don't have to have my ears flushed. There is different heads and sizes, so it has something for every issue. Number 1. Bebird Earsight Plus R37 Our Ear Cleaning Kit. Tired of uncomfortable ear cleaning? This flexible otoscope is designed to fit the natural curves of your ear canal. It provides a stunning, clear view inside your ear. Safety is paramount. The soft silicone coating ensures no scratches, and the spiral tip stays securely in place. It also has a safety scale to prevent over-insertion, keeping your eardrum safe. These precision tweezers gently remove ear wax without touching your skin. It's perfect for sensitive ears, providing a gentle and pain-free cleaning experience. This kit is your all-in-one solution for home and travel. It includes various cleaning tips for both wet and dry ears, and even an ear, nose, and throat checkup kit. It's compact and perfect for on-the-go use. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it's fun for the whole family. Adults will find it stress-relieving, and kids will be fascinated. It turns ear care into an enjoyable experience. This product is carefully crafted for long-term use and reliable performance. If you encounter any issues, we're here to provide full support. You can count on it. What we like. This ear cleaning kit features a flexible otoscope for comfortable use and pain-free tweezers for gentle wax removal. It includes a variety of cleaning tips and is suitable for both wet and dry ears. If you are looking for a safe, comfortable, and comprehensive ear cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. It comes self-contained in a travel box. The attachments are nicely stored in a subcompartment tray which keeps everything organized and clean nice. The light is very bright on the device. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.